Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting into this clown makeup tutorial. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, I've already done my base makeup off camera. I'm going to jump right into eyes. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the Sapphire shade. I'm going to take that first blue shade right in the middle and I'm going to apply that to my crease area using a very fluffy crease brush. Then I'm going to follow up with a darker blue shade within the same palette and I'm going to apply that right on top. And for these two shades, I really want to make sure that the color is really bold and really vibrant. So there's going to be a lot of packing and blending with these two blue shades. So I've added that first and the second blue shade to my crease. Now I'm going to take that second blue shade and I'm just going to really deepen up the outer V area of my eye. And I'm using a really big fluffy brush to do that as well. And I'm just going to pack that shade onto the outer V area. Now I'm going to carve out the front of my eye doing like a half cut crease look using some of the Huda Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond. I'm using an angled brush to do this and I'm just going to carve out the front area to about midway on my lid, and I'm just going to apply some of that concealer all over, and then I'll begin packing my eyeshadow on top of that. I'm still using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. This is still in the Sapphire palette, and I'm taking that really bold, vibrant, sort of like chartreuse color for the most part, and I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. Once I have that color all over my lid, I am going to follow up using the second dark blue shade, and I'm just going to really deepen up the outer V area of my eye again, but also blending the outer V area with that chartreuse color as well. Next up, I'm going to take my white Snazaroo paint and I'm going to begin just sketching out the area for the under eye features. I'm not sure what to call them 100%, so I'm just going to say under eye features. I liked using this white paint as a guide because it made it a lot easier if I did make a mistake and have to erase anything versus just going right in with my black eyeliner and black paint. I found that using the white, it would be much easier to cover it up if there was an incident. So I'm just going to sketch out those under eye features. Then I'm going to begin shading them in. First, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Super Slim Infallible Liquid Liner in black to do the initial shading. And then I'm going to go on top of that using my black Snazaroo paint just to really darken things up. Once I'm done with the under eye features, I am going to begin adding these little triangles above my brows. Now, I did go in a few times and adjust them, but I did cut out some of the adjustments because it's pretty much the same thing as what I'm doing now. But I did end up making them a little taller as I went along just for a more dramatic look. So you're more than welcome to create the triangles above your brows in a shape that, of course, you're more comfortable with and what works for you. Once I'm done creating those little triangles, I am going to begin doing some color shading around the bottom portion of the under eye features. I'm going to use the Amethyst Huda Beauty Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to do a little bit of shading underneath my eye area in between those little the little sections of like the under eye kind of like features for this clown look. So I'm going to add a little bit of that purple, and then I'm going to go back into the Sapphire palette, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer V area, connecting it to the purple. And I did sweep a little bit of that blue shade on top of the purple as well. I did do my liner. I used the CoverGirl liquid liner in Major Matte Black, and I used the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. Then I'm following up with my Lilly lashes in the style Faux Mink Mykonos. I really love these lashes because they're super full and fluffy, and they're very lightweight, so I felt like it would be perfect for this look. To just fill in the waterline area, I am going to use my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on pencil in the shade Perversion. I really wanted to make this super dark, and I felt that using that Perversion pencil would just bring this look together completely. Now, to finish up the first part of the look, I am going to do my nose, and I am going to be using the Snazaroo paint just to fill it in, just a little black nose for this look. To finish up my look, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uninvited. It's the black shade, and this color is just so bomb. I find with 2 to 3 coats, I can get it really super dark, and I love it because anytime I am going to do a black lip, I want it to be opaque, like no sheerness. I need it to be black, and this certainly delivers. So I'm gonna fill in my lips, and then I'm gonna take another angled brush, and I'm kind of just gonna draw like these little lines out on the side of my mouth. You can do them as short or as long as you want. Of course, if you are going for something more dramatic, then I suggest making them a little longer, maybe a little thicker, and then even pointing them upwards towards your eye area. I feel like that would make the look really dope. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. I really hope that you all enjoyed these Halloween videos. I really enjoyed creating them, and I'm probably going to still create a few after Halloween has passed. But of course, I'll see you guys in my next video.